Welcome to Ghani Fatty Digital, where future billionaires are built. Start before you're ready. Don't prepare. Begin. Change your decisions and you'll change your life. And what will change your decisions more than anything? Courage. You can't control how you feel, but you can always choose how you act. The time is now. Stop hitting the snooze button on your life. If you only ever did the things you don't want to do, you'd have everything you've ever wanted. You are not supposed to be the same person you were a year, month, day, or even 5 seconds ago. You are designed to grow. There will always be someone who can't see your worth. Don't let it be you. If you're struggling right now, remember this moment is both temporary and necessary, and it's leading you somewhere you're meant to go. Your brain hears and internalizes the things you say. Take the challenge and say only positive things to and about yourself. You need to get outside your comfort zone. It's not about taking risks. It's about getting outside your comfort zone.